Adventure Pulse here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of nature's most magnificent creatures, the peacock.
You might think you know a lot about these colorful birds, but we're here to uncover some lesser-known facts that will leave you in awe.
Let's get started. First off, did you know that the term peacock technically only refers to the males of the species? The collective name for these birds is peafowl.
Males are called peacocks, females are peahens, and their offspring are called peachicks. This distinction is crucial because it's the peacocks that are famed for their dazzling tail feathers. Speaking of those stunning tail feathers, they are not actually the peacock's tail but are instead elongated upper tail coverts. These feathers can reach up to 6 feet in length and are covered in iridescent eye spots that can vary in color from blue and green to gold and red.
When a peacock fans out its feathers, it's performing a courtship display known as train ruffling.
This impressive sight is not just for show, it's designed to attract peahens and intimidate rivals. The vibrant colors of a peacock's feathers are not due to pigments but to a phenomenon called structural coloration. Microscopic crystal-like structures on the feathers reflect and refract light, producing the iridescent hues we see. This means the colors can change depending on the angle of the light and the position of the observer. While we often associate peafowl with their colorful plumage, peahens are much more subdued in appearance. Their feathers are primarily brown, which provides excellent camouflage while they are nesting and protecting their eggs. This difference in coloration between males and females is known as sexual dimorphism.
Peafowl are native to the Indian subcontinent, but they have been introduced to various parts of the world, including the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia. They adapt well to different environments, which is why you might see them in zoos, parks, and even roaming freely in some neighborhoods. In addition to their visual splendor, peafowl are known for their distinctive calls. Peacocks have a loud, piercing call that can be heard over long distances.
They use this call to communicate with other peafowl and to announce their presence to potential mates. Interestingly, their calls vary in pitch and intensity depending on their mood and the time of year, with the breeding season being the loudest.
Now, let's talk about their diet.
Peafowl are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet includes seeds, fruits, insects, small mammals, and reptiles. They have a particular fondness for snakes, which they hunt and eat, making them valuable in controlling snake populations in their habitats. Despite their regal appearance, peafowl are quite hardy and adaptable. They are strong flyers and can roost in trees to avoid predators. Their long legs make them excellent runners, capable of reaching speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. This combination of flight and agility helps them escape from threats like tigers, leopards, and other large predators in the wild. Peafowl also have a rich cultural significance in many parts of the world. In Hindu mythology, the peacock is associated with the god Krishna and is a symbol of immortality, love, and beauty.
In Buddhism, it represents compassion and watchfulness. Peafowl have been depicted in art and literature for centuries, symbolizing everything from royalty to resurrection. Despite their beauty, peafowl can sometimes be a nuisance.
In areas where they are not native, they can cause damage to crops and gardens.
Their loud calls can be disruptive, especially in residential areas.
However, many people find their presence to be a delightful addition to their surroundings.
In the wild, peafowl have an interesting social structure. They are polygamous, meaning a single peacock will mate with multiple peahens.
During the breeding season, peacocks establish territories and perform elaborate displays to attract females. Once a peahen selects a mate, she will lay a clutch of eggs in a shallow nest on the ground. The incubation period lasts about 28 days, and the peahen is solely responsible for raising the peachicks. Peachicks are born with a full set of feathers and are able to walk and forage within hours of hatching. They grow rapidly, and by the time they are a few months old, they start developing their adult plumage. Male peachicks will not develop their full train of feathers until they are about 3 years old, while females reach maturity around 2 years of age. Peafowl have a lifespan of about 15 to 20 years in the wild, but they can live longer in captivity with proper care. Their ability to adapt to various environments and their relatively low maintenance needs make them popular in aviculture.
One of the most fascinating aspects of peafowl is their role in science and research. The peacock's elaborate plumage and mating rituals have been extensively studied to understand sexual selection and evolutionary biology.
Researchers have found that the number and quality of a peacock's eye spots can be an indicator of genetic fitness, with peahens preferring males with more and larger eye spots. There you have it, some incredible and lesser-known facts about peacocks. These birds are not just beautiful to look at but also fascinating in their behavior, biology, and cultural significance. We hope you enjoyed learning about these magnificent creatures and that you'll never look at a peacock the same way again.
Thanks for tuning in to Adventure Pulse.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing wildlife facts and adventures.
See you next time.